Today I'm going to show you how to export a group of jobs and import them to another machine. I'm going to choose the group RPA templates. What I do is I go to File, I click Export Settings, and I am presented with all these choices. For my purposes, I only want to bring over the jobs. This is going on a different machine with different settings. I will deselect all. I will go and look at jobs, and I will select the two I want. I will define where I want it saved. Here I'm going to change this to be RPA templates. And I click Start. Once that's completed, I've already copied it over to my other machine. File, Import Settings. I will go to the location where I copied it. I will open it, and I want to import everything. I just selected the jobs, so it will give me all details related to the job. It shows that it's completed. Click OK. As you can see, I have the group RPA templates here with the two jobs, same as I had in my other machine.